Hi guys, I'm Kavanaya and you're watching Kavita Vaidya. One day we went to Marina Bay Sands and now we are right away opposite to that, which is Merlion Park. The place which comes to your mind when you hear Singapore and the place which is first shown in all the movies shot at Singapore. So let's go and see. Everyone of us must have seen Merlion, but most of us doesn't know the history behind it. So let me tell you guys. It got its name as Merlion from Temasek and Singapura. Temasek means fishing village. We all know that Singapore was a fishing village before, right? And Singapura means lion city. So Singapura is a Malay name. So Temasek and Singapura made together became Merlion. This Merlion is the official mascot of Singapore. It's not a real animal, so it became the official mascot. And this lion head symbolizes the courage, strength and excellence of all the Singaporeans living here. So guys, today we are very lucky because the climate is very humid and pleasant, so I can film my walk in a very better way. So let me tell you this. Most of you have the common question whether Merlion is a female or a male. So the Merlion which is spitting water out of its mouth is known as female, just like this one, and the Merlion which doesn't spit out the water is male. Oh, very interesting, right? When I was a small kid, my dad used to say that this Merlion was in front and in the entrance of the Singapore River, but now the place has been changed. I had a lot of confusions on this and now I came to a conclusion. So first of all, this Merlion was set up at the entrance of Singapore River, but when this bayfront Marina Bay Sands came, it was blocking the view of Merlion. So they moved apart for a 120 meters and now it's a bit apart from the entrance, and now my question is really clear. I hope yours do so. So before we saw from the top of Marina Bay Sands the Merlion and all the places downstairs, but now it's the opposite. We are seeing the Marina Bay Sands from the Merlion Park. The view here is really pretty, and because the weather is really pleasant, you can take a lot of good pictures and the vlog is gonna come out really great. The small kids are having really fun. They're wearing their school uniforms and having fun here, bunking school. This Merlion is so huge that its height is 8.6 meters and its weight is 70 tons. I can't even imagine a statue that is standing at the bank of a river this weight. Merlion. Now, Merlions to be more appropriate. There are total number of 7 Merlions in Singapore and one was in Sentosa, which was the tallest of all, but now it has been demolished because it was like a way too old one. I'll try to show you guys like all the Merlions here, but this is the main one, so I'm showing this one today. In this park itself, you have a Merlion Cup. So this one also comes under the 7 Merlions I told you which are present in Singapore, and this one is 2 meters tall and it has 3 tons the weight. So small kids will have really fun here because they have set up a special area for this, which is really small in size and looking very cute, and it also has a watery setup, and this one is spitting out water, so this one is also a female cub. Sculpture was designed and constructed by Mr. Lim Nang Seng and his 8 children in the early 18th century. And he wanted this Merlion to be in a symmetrical design, which was very hard during that time. But still, he put all his effort and did this Merlion so that we can astonish and admire the beauty of it. there are a lot of cultures in Singapore which we can admire and that are not found in the rest of the countries. But this Merlion was a very special one and it was taken up as a depict mythical creature. Very highest pose for a statue given here, and I love it that this Merlion got it because the most statue which I love the most is this Merlion because the way it's standing shows you and gives you courage and strength in your mind. Merlion, you have a refreshment place where you can eat a lot of food and have fun. So when you come in the evening, you'll have a refreshment here for snacks, and obviously the kids are gonna have really fun. They have a lot of free space to run and really have fun. Due to COVID, there are a lot of restrictions in restaurants and food courts like this, so only the vaccinated people in groups of 5 should come here and have fun. So when you're coming here, make sure you're vaccinated, like fully vaccinated, and come just in a group of 5 people. So over here below the bridge also you have a refreshment area and baked sweet potato. So they have a lot of varieties of refreshments here. People usually come here for jogging and walking, so they can have a small break here and have a snack. So the usual customers for these types of shops are like people who come for jogging and walking. So they are only selling like healthy foods and like juices and stuff, so that people who come here can boost up their energy level. Is not only famous for the sightseeing purposes. People come here especially for jogging, cycling and walking, including the kids come here with their scooter and have fun. So the weekends and holiday time, this place is crowded. It's a very good family space to spend time. You can also look at and admire the beauty of the river, Marina Bay Sands, and as well as the Merlion. In this place, you can find Merlion, Marina Bay Sands and a lot of main attractions from Singapore. All the tourists are providing boats like this so that you can travel in the river and look at all the attractions. So for some time, they'll stop at the bank so that the tourists can take pictures over here. And now this boat is going to come to the bank. And the specialty of this boat is it can go on road as well. You can see the tires over there. So it can ride on the road as well and also float on the water. popular places in the surroundings of Merlion Park is CBD, which is Central Business District. So most of the familiar banks and especially the Philatron Hotel is present here. Banks like HSBC, UOB, DBS and many more, and especially lot of corporate companies. If you want to see the detailed walkthrough of this Merlion Park, you can watch them in the Best Walkthrough channel. I'll give you the link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe that channel as well. Okay guys, now we come to the end of the vlog. I hope you liked this video. If you do so, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And do tell your feedbacks in the comment box below. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Stay tuned.